The Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, two flagships that looks almost identical. Same camera, same performance, same polished design. But here is the twist. The XL asks for more of your money without really giving you much in return. So the question is simple. Will you pay extra for a phone that's practically the same? Or is a smaller, more balanced Pixel 9 Pro the smarter buy? Today, let's place them side by side and find out if size and battery are really worth the extra cost. By the way, if you enjoy honest review like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First impression, both phones are built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, an aluminum frame and IP68 water resistant. At a glance, they are twin. Sharp edges, a both camera bar, a premium finish. But hold them, the story changes. The Pixel 9 Pro light at 199 grams, feel like carrying a paperback book. The Pro XL heavier at 227 grams, closer to holding a sturdy hardcover. One slips easily into a pocket, the other reminds you it's there. The Pixel 9 Pro stretches to 6.3 inches, while the XL expands to 6.8 inches. Both glows with 120 Hz refresh rate and 3000 nit brightness, clear even under blazing sunlight. But the truth, the XL isn't sharp, not richer, just bigger. Both show the same picture, one just takes more space. So ask yourself, do you want the extra half inch, or will it only make your phone harder to handle? Inside the story, it's simple. With 16GB of RAM on both models, whether you are gaming, multitasking or editing in 4K video, the performance is identical, smooth, responsive and reliable. It's like driving two cars with the same engine, different size, same speed. So if power is what matters, the smaller Pro gives you everything the XL does with that higher price tag. Storage options range from 128GB to 1TB. No SD card, just internal space. But think of it, do you really need a terabyte in your pocket? For most people, 256GB is like a spacious wardrobe. You will never fill it up. A 2TB, that's more like renting an entire warehouse. Now, cameras. A 50 megapixel wide, a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom, 48 megapixel ultra wide. On the front, a 42 megapixel ultra wide selfie shooter. Both phones deliver the same result. Pixel shift, zoom enhance, best take. So now, choosing the XL won't change your pictures. It's like two photographers using the same lens. The photos look identical, regardless of who holds the bigger frame. So ask yourself, are you the type who loves zooming into detail or capturing the full sense around you? Now, quick pause. If you are still watching, that means you are enjoying this breakdown. Do me a quick favor, subscribe now so you can always stay updated whenever a new phone drops. Now, audio. The sound of the stereo speaker, loud, clear. No headphone jack. Google clearly wants you wireless. But here's the thought. Wired earphones are rare and loved by a few. Wireless is streaming, modern, simple, and what most people are moving towards. So now, where do you stand? Battery, the only real edge. The Pixel 9 Pro, 4700 mAh battery. The XL, 5060 mAh battery. Both with 27 watts wired charging, 21 wireless and revised wireless charging. The XL lasts longer, yes, but the difference, a few hours at best. Is that worth the extra money? Inside the box, the twins meet again. Just the phone, a USB-C cable, paperwork, no charger, no earphones. Eco-friendly or cost-cutting? It's the same story we've had before. The price, where it matters, and here is where choices are made. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at about $550, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL begins at around $650. So here's the final question. If the power, cameras, and features are the same, and the only difference is size and battery. Is the XL truly worth the stretch, or is the regular Pro the smarter choice? That's the decision waiting in your hand. The Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Tell me in the comments, which side are you on? If you got any value from this review, then subscribing is the best way to say thank you. Go ahead and subscribe, because the next review might just change the way you look at your next phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.